To top up guys, so $10 lang yan per day. Makikita nyo dyan, go explore top up, go explore adult top up, $10 lang babayaran nyo. So ayan guys, pinapara nga pala dito yung bus, unlike sa Victoria. Don't forget to top on and off. Good morning guys, so ayan, we just took a bus papunta dito sa SeaWorld Theme Park. Dito rin kami nang galing kagabi nung nag-cruise kami. Yeah, nung nag-SeaWorld cruise kami. Dinner cruise siya. So, panoorin nyo na lang yung vlog na yon para malaman nyo kung magkano yung nagastos namin at kung ano yung mga foods na nakahain dun sa buffet. So, ayan. So, it's only 9:40 AM and mag-o-open si SeaWorld at 10 AM. So, dito sa SeaWorld, para lang siyang Manila Ocean Park, pero may mga thriller rides na kagaya nung nasa Movie World. So, panoorin nyo rin yung vlog namin about sa Movie World para malaman nyo yung rates, ano yung mga rides na pwede nyong gawin doon, ano yung mga activities, shows, and events na meron sa Movie World. So, ayun guys, mukhang madaming tao ngayon dito sa SeaWorld.
Dami na nakapark.
Puno yung car park. So, sana hindi ganun ka-crowded kagaya sa Movie World. So, it's only Wednesday today, 5th of June, 2024. So, ayan guys, pila tayo sa entry point para ma-scan yung ating ticket. So, by the way, kasama nga pala to dun sa 3-day pass na binayaran namin for $179. Ganda ng wala. Mag-i-scan lang tayo ng barcode natin, yung barcode ng ticket natin para makapasok tayo dito sa SeaWorld. So, pagpasok nyo dito sa SeaWorld guys, pipicturean muna nila kayo bago nyo ma-scan yung tickets nyo. Ayan, mag-scan na si Chade ng tickets niya. Ayan, excited na naman siya sa mga rides.
Ako lang talaga.
Siyempre, he will still ride alone. Yung kaya sumakay sa Leviathan. So, ayan guys, yung map. So, kada rides, makikita nyo naman sa maps kung saan exactly kayo pwedeng dumaan.
Yun,
at,
yep,
yun. That's the Leviathan. So, ayun guys, walking muna tayo papunta doon sa first ride na sasakyan ni Chade.
Ano siya? Kahoy siya.
Yeah.
Kahoy siya na roller coaster.
Yep. We're here at Leviathan. Ano nga pala yan guys sobrang luma na niya and made of woods po yan. Hindi po siya metal, hindi siya bakal, woods talaga. Roller coaster na gawa sa woods, Leviathan. Dito yan sa SeaWorld Gold Coast. Ganyan sila, ride restrictions. Ooh, are you excited?
Yeah, I am.
Ask them if you can use your GoPro so you can take a video of yourself.
Yeah, isa pa lang ako, pero pag wala daw dumating, solo lang ako. Patatakboy nila ng para sa akin lang.
Arkilado yan. Okay, good luck! Nandito lang ako sa may labas ng Leviathan, waiting for my husband. So, siya lang yung sasakay ulit ng roller coaster. Baka mahimatay kasi ako pag sumakay ako. Tsaka, masaya na ako sa mga shows. Gusto ko lang ma-experience niya yung mga ganitong rides. So, papakita ko sa inyo later on yung itsura ng Leviathan. Oh my God! So scary! Ayan na, nag-start na. And I'm sure na nandyan si Chade. I just don't know kung siya yung nasa unahan. Kasi kanina solo lang siya. Then Marami nang nagdatingan. Ayan na! Nasa first nga siya! Ay! Naka-white! Narinig ko yung sigaw. Narinig ko yung sigaw niya, guys. Ayan, 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 ayan. No shoot! Oh my God! Then dadaan sila dyan later on. Dyan sa mababag yan. Sana makita niya ako dito. Sana kumaway siya dito. Where are they? Oh, yun. 909 meters kasi siya, so medyo mahaba. Ayun, no? Ayun! Guys, just some information about the Leviathan. So, that's the world's most iconic wooden coaster. Dito yan sa SeaWorld Gold Coast. And it's 109-meter track na may speed na 80 kilometers per hour. So, medyo mabagal siya compare mo doon sa hypercoaster sa Movie World. So, ayan, meron siya mga bank turns, crossovers, drops, and dips. And sabi nila, only the bravest person will try to ride this Leviathan. Pero, kinaya ni Chade. So, let's see his reaction. Nasaan na ba yun? I'm just waiting for him. How was it?
Saya.
Sayang, hindi ka tumingin sa side na to.
Saan?
Kita-kita dyan. Yup. Pinakamalapit na view yan. So, kitang-kita yung tsura mo. Tingnan natin. Yup. So, how was it? How was the Leviathan?
Nakakakaba. Pero mas nakakakaba yung sa Movie World. Ang nakakaba lang dito, ano kasi ito gawa sa kahoy.
Yeah.
Talagang yung katawan ko parang dinidiplik mo. Ganun ka.
Okay, that's great that you enjoy it.
Yeah.
So, another thriller ride?
Yeah.
Vortex is the next one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go! Ayan guys, using the Village Roadshow app, makikita nyo yung mga shows, anong oras, saan gaganapin, as well as the waiting time doon sa mga rides na gusto nyong sakyan. So talagang pwedeng-pwede nyong planuhin yung araw nyo dito sa SeaWorld. Okay, so we're going to watch the Little Penguins first kasi may mini show ang mga penguins. So malawak talaga tong SeaWorld. So, here we go guys, SeaWorld's Penguin Point. So, presentations will start at 10:45 AM at saka yung isang presentation is at 3 PM. Penguin Point, guys. O, diba? Hinabol pa namin yan sa Phillip Islands.
Meron lang pala dito.
Pero, iba pa rin yung experience sa Phillip Islands, guys.
Oh,
Nalapit talaga namin. Tas ibang penguin yata to. Ayan o, cute nila. Hear that sound? That's the sound of penguin. You hear it? Yeah, that's the penguin, guys.
Claims their girlfriends and they have basically allocated themselves one of these burrows. So we have more burrows than we do
yeah.
so they can choose where they would
That's
like to go.
that's what we
And
call
what we're finding out
burrows.
is they're getting ready for some
Bahay ng
races.
penguin.
Now what's that female so we try to feed her just a little bit further away from the penguin, just so we can
Pinutulan ng
continue on with the
pakpak?
feed. So hopefully Chloe will notice that I've got her food over here.
So that's Chloe.
So you notice that
Nakikisabay sa pagkain ng mga penguins.
Chloe down to me. And hopefully she can.
May sarili siyang food.
Chloe, come on over here. So she will come on over. So we are doing some really basic training with her.
We're on stage. Panoorin lang natin Paw Patrol. Feeling bata, nanonood ng Paw Patrol.
Hi, Chase! Chase is on the case! And how about we say a big hi to Marshall? Hi, Marshall! Yeah, Marshall!
Looking at me. Thank you. So yun guys, tinatry ko naman yung vortex. As usual, ako lang ulit.
Okay, good luck, Daddy.
Let's go!
Richard is coming. He's there. Now he's not alone. May mga kasama siya. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can see it clearly sa camera kasi maaraw. So, I don't know if kita nyo siya exactly. Oh my god. Magpapaikot-ikot na yan. Ayan na yan. Ay, hindi ba pala? Oh my god. Oh, yumayanig yung lupa. Grabe. Oh my god. Si Chad yun. Si Chad yun. We just rode the vortex.
Nakakasuka.
Kung nakita nyo naman, pinaikot-ikot siya doon.
So bakit yung sigmura ako?
Tapos
Pero,
gusto mo
okay lang.
akong pasakayin doon. Baka nahimatay na ako doon.
Tinipilm lang talaga niya yung mga rides ko.
Oo. Ano niya ako, videographer, pero hindi pa ako magaling na videographer. We're here at Prime Burgers. You sure you want to eat there? Any. So, ayan guys, order lang kami na kakainin namin habang nanonood kami kay Dora the Explorer. So, ito guys, yung parang mga food court sa mga theme park sa Pinas. Pero dito, may mga boutiques and shops din na pwede niyang bilhan ng souvenirs. And of course, may mga, kainan. And nandito din yung mga laro-laro. Mamaya maglalaro ulit kami ni Chade. We will try our luck here. Okay? So, we're going to the Polar Bear Educational Talk Show. Totoong polar bear yun, guys. We will show you later. The polar bear. It's our first time to see a polar bear. And dito po talaga sa Australia. You know, ano ba? Nangangati ba yan? Nagkakamot? So, hintayin lang natin yung show para malaman natin ano ba yung mga facts about polar bear. Oh, that's a 7-year-old polar bear. So, dito pala siya pinanganak sa Gold Coast. Kaya, that's the true Gold Coast polar bear. That's Mishka. So, meron silang 3 polar bear dito. Let's just see kung makikita natin yung dalawa pa. Yung mother ni Mishka namatay last 2019. She's so cute. Para siyang nangangati, oh. Then, may makikita kayo dong white part. Yung may ibon. Snow yon, yellow. Nilalagyan nila ng yellow. Oh, now she's walking. May harang kasi. May grill. Cute. Didn't see it, guys. She pooped. Alam niyo kung saan siya tatae. My God. Cute. Tapos ka na ba? Yan, yung brown na yun sa may putan niya. That's a poop. Now she's coming back. Oh, ay pabiba, oh. Umakyat na siya. So, ayun guys. So, the first polar bear na pinanganak dito sa SeaWorld is si Henry. Last 2013. Then, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, si Mishka, pinanganak siya last 2017. And, biruin nyo yun, nung pinanganak sila, 500 grams lang yung timbang nila.
Pero
and then ngayon, ngayon si Mishka is weighing 300 kilograms. Imagine that.
Ang laki.
Yeah, napakalaki. So, ayun guys, yung polar bear. Oh my God, hindi ko akalaing makakakita kami dito sa Australia ng polar bear. Kasi sabi nga nila, nasa Arctic Circle lang ang mga polar bears. Doon lang sila nakatira. Pero, based on the information that they gave us, galing sa Canada, yung parents ng mga polar bears, and nagkaroon ng polar bear dito last 2004. Sinave daw nila yon. Then, ayun, pinadami nila dito yung polar bear. Si Mishka, kaya ganon na parang okay lang siya dito sa weather na to. Kasi nga, dito siya pinanganak, so na-adapt niya kagad. So, kagaya lang siya ng ibang animals and kagaya nating human na kayang umadapt sa kahit na anong weather. So, that's the polar bear, guys. Let's go to the next destination. Stingray? Yeah. So, we're going here, underwater viewing gallery. So, dito daw namin makikita yung, yung sharks. Tapos, meron din ditong mag-educational talk about sharks. Let's see. Oh, yeah. It's like a big aquarium. Just like in the Manila Ocean Park. Oh, see that? It's very clear, guys. I'm going to show them up close. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ginawa talaga nilang parang nasa pinakang ilalim ng dagat. Yung fishes, ayan, mga pagi. Hello there, mate. Cutie. Oh, napakadami nila. Mga pagi. Hello, Kat. Diba, ginawa nilang para talagang ilalim ng dagat, guys. So, andyan yung mga corals. Yun yung patingaw. Nakahiga. Tinatamad siya maglangoy. Diba? More on Ganda, oh. Palapit na yung turtle. Ayun, guys, oh. Turtle. Oh, cutie. Is that a turtle nga ba?
Yeah, it is.
Nandito din si Nemo. I just can't see him. Find Nemo, guys. Find Nemo. Oh, those are blue spotted muskray. Yung iba. Ang haba.
You'll notice the fish in the other side are a little bit more dark, where leopard sharks have been found to be functionally extinct. There were only 4 left in the wild in that reef due to human actions. Now, on the left-hand side here, we have Iggy, our female teenager. So right there on the left-hand side, she's turning around towards the window now.
Guys, ang lalaki talaga nila. Tingnan nyo naman, para silang nasa deep talaga. Pinakang ilalim ng dagat. Ayan o, may mga shark. Ayan o, mga haba ng shark. Ayun sila o, nagkumpul-kumpul sila sa gitna. Those are the sharks. Oh, ang laki. Look. What fish is that?
Now, the largest species of shark over this side is the tawny nurse shark. We have 3.
They are so big, guys. They are so big.
Which means, obviously, it is really, really important that we are doing communication pair training with her because she needs frequent health checks. So you don't need to stress her out too much.
Pwede rin kayo magganyan, no? Yan. May salamin siya sa ilalim, so makikita nyo sila up close kung dadaan sila dun sa boat nyo. Oh my god, that's the shark. So, ayun nga guys, $15 per head lang yan for 30 minutes. Which is good na din. Mura na din siya sa $15. Makikita mo naman yung mga nasa ilalim talaga ng dagat. And mas clear gawa nung araw. Because of the sunlight. So, ayan guys. Nakakita tayo ng mga pating, ng stingrays, baby shark, mommy shark, charot. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung ano mga tawag sa mga isdang yan, pero lalaki, para silang malaking galunggong. Charot. Ayan o, ayan o, ayan o. Mukha siya malaking janitor fish. Ang laki nun. Ano yun o? Grabe. Ang daming shark dun sa ilalim ng bato. Ewan ko lang kung kita sa camera. Ayun sila. Ang dami. Ayaw nilang lumabas. Parang takot sila sa araw. Zombie ba kayo, ha? Ayun, ayun, ayun. Mga shark yan. Medyo kita yung isa. Medyo naliwanagan yung ulo. Grabe. Ang dami nyo.
We are very lucky that he is once they're born or once they've hatched.
Ano to? Pawikan ba to? Ano na?
This means that breeding programs under human care for sharks and rays are a lot
Grabe.
easier
Parang tanda-tanda niya na.
than other animals such as mammals. Now, a common question that we get is if Diesel, the dusty whaler,
Sige,
is
lipat
just
kayo
as
dyan.
aggressive as the bull shark
Swim,
and the
swim.
bull whale. Another one is that
Grabe, oh. Dami talaga ng mga shark sa loob.
as the ones out in the ocean.
Oh.
Now, sharks are not
Lalaki ng mga
aggressive
isda,
in the sense
pati.
they are very, very curious.
Siguro paano din sila kayo. Aba, pumasok pa dun sa
We need to
lungga ng
understand
shark
that these
yun.
guys are built to hunt.
Hindi natakot.
Now,
Ayan guys, yung mga fishes na nandito sa may aquarium. So, lahat naman yan nakita namin. Di lang namin ma-identify at di namin tanda kung ano yung mga pangalan nila. So, ayan. Tara na sa ating next spot.